Want to organize your Microsoft Loop projects more efficiently? Let's learn how to edit labels quickly and effectively. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. Click the official link and sign in with your Microsoft account to access all your workspaces. Once logged in, make sure the column you want to edit is set as a label column. If it's not, simply add a new column and select label as the type. This ensures your data stays organized and visually intuitive. Now, focus on the label you want to edit. Click inside the cell to activate it. To rename an existing label, just select it and type the new name. Remember, changing a label name will update all instances of that label in the component, so think carefully if you're working on a shared project. If a label is no longer needed, removing it is just as easy. Click the X next to the label to delete it completely. This keeps your project board clutter-free and relevant to your current tasks. And that's it. Editing labels in Microsoft Loop is simple, but mastering it can significantly improve your organization and team collaboration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.